Should every business analyst learn generative AI or AI? Some would say that's only for tech guys. But the truth is, AI is no longer a technical skill. It's a thinking skill. And the business analysts who understand AI today will design the businesses of tomorrow. Think about what business analysts actually do. Business analysts capture and maintain requirements, create models like process diagram, analyze data, and communicate insights that drive business value. Yet, too often, business analysts are seen as note takers or documentation specialists, constantly updating requirements, managing change logs, and chasing stakeholders for approvals. But the reality is, we are not just documenters. We are supposed to be problem solvers. Business analysts are the bridge between the business ambition or the business goals and the real world execution in the form of a software. And this is exactly where generative AI and AI can amplify our roles by helping us think faster, analyze smarter, and deliver insights that truly move the business forward. So the role of business analyst is evolving, and it's evolving very fast. With AI tools now able to write, summarize, and analyze, our real value lies in how we guide the AI to think correctly. Businesses are already looking for analysts who can frame the right questions, validate AI-generated insights, and ensure every recommendation aligns with the business goals and objectives. The question isn't about whether AI will change or impact your role. It already has. The question is, are you adapting? That's the reason we have built the AI certification course for business analysts at Techcanvass. It's not about turning you into a programmer. It's about turning you into an AI-powered business analyst. You learn how to use generative AI tools to design requirements, create models like process models, create even prototypes, brainstorm ideas, and evaluate solutions. The course also includes real-life case studies, showing how AI can help you do business analysis activities throughout the business analysis lifecycle, right from problem identification to elicitation till the solution implementation. And when you enroll, you will also get access to our learning management system, which is an in-house system filled with recorded sessions, quizzes, and exclusive resources. You'll also get access to our AI prompt library with ready-to-use prompts for stakeholder analysis, writing user stories, test cases, and event process optimization. So before I end, let me ask you a question. Should every business analyst learn AI? The answer is absolutely. Because the next generation of business analysts won't just analyze requirements. They will do much more with AI. By using generative AI tools, you can save a lot of time, and so that you can move up the value chain and create value or real value for the businesses. So now it's time for you to evaluate how do you want to upskill yourself with GenAI and AI tools. Do evaluate our course on AI for business analysts. Visit techcanvass.com today and take the first step towards becoming an AI-powered business analyst.